It's going to be a quick Bitcoin update. So the other day when we were streaming Friday and Mondays, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, price action was here. And I'm thinking potentially, we might come up and make a lower high, which price did go up. And I thought we were going to get rejected in the beginning of the zone. However, you can see that we actually went to possibly the middle of the zone before coming down. But here's the main thing to look at. I'm thinking up, not down. We could have gone down, but I'm thinking up. Which direction did we go? We went up. And then potentially to come down. Now, and that's what we're doing. We're coming down right now. Now, here's the thing though. This was going to be only for my VIP group, but I'll go ahead and put on the background music so we can have it for regular YouTube. Here's the thing. We've been going up, an okay retrace, then up, then more of a retrace than I would like from this extension leg. And we talk about this on our streams Mondays and Fridays, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Then we go up, then we come down again, lower than I would like. So I would like a 38 about here to maybe a 50% pullback. So using the fib retracement from the low to the high, we're looking at the 0.32, 0.5, maybe the 618, but I really don't like that. Here we come all the way down 786, more than likely, just eyeballing it. Then we come up, this is just to wick out people who are entering longs. Then we keep on going up. So whenever I'm referring to these candles, their candle body closes, not the wicks. I'm talking about the closes, where it started, where it finished. Now we came up. Now we could continue this kind of like a pattern where we go up, down. Let me take off this stuff just really quick. I'm gonna put this stuff back on. This is what I do use, but let me go ahead and take this off as well. And I was hoping this would be a quick video, but hopefully not too long. So look, I want just to explain the thought process. Up, down, up. Down like a lot for the extension leg. Then up, then down about 78%, then up. And then now if we come down and continue this pattern, I'm looking at about here, which would be nice, about 50% of the move. And look at where it corresponds with, maybe even the 618. Look at where it corresponds with. And I haven't actually done this. It was just by eyeball. Right here, the 30 moving average. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking potentially we could, if we come down further, if we come up, and all this is on the bigger time frame. This is on the daily. I drew this out. So inside of this up and downs, you're going to have more ups and downs that lead into this up and down. And that's just, price action, structure, all that fun stuff. I don't use complicated words because I'm not trying to confuse you to join my group. You join my group if you want these updates. Again, this was going to be a VIP only update, but decided to share it with everybody. Let's see here. So what is my thought process? If we come down to here, let's say the 30 SMA, maybe even the 50 SMA, and let's also draw the fib retracement as well. From here, now what I'm looking at is I don't want this level to break. If this level breaks, more than likely this thought process is invalid. And that's extremely important. What makes your thought process invalid? Now, if we come down, then we come up to, let's say here, then we come down, and then now we start working our way up. Now, this becomes invalid until or unless we break below this zone again, which would correspond with breaking a low. I trade level by level. And right now, I'm thinking we come down, passing our bounce zone, which is 0.5618. The price is 61.8, 60.8. I'm thinking we break below this to pull back even further to the 786, which is right around 59.5. And then let's see what happens from there. Do we break the low to continue going down to our 45, 35 levels? Or do we start breaking the highs? We start breaking the highs. Okay, maybe we got one more shot to go up before potentially getting rejected right in this area, 64.6. Pay attention to this area, guys. This is an area I'll show you really quick, and I show this all on YouTube. This is from the previous cycle. These levels are from the previous cycle. So could we in fact get rejected at that level? Possible. Everything's possible until it happens or doesn't happen. But this is what I'm looking at. Again, make sure to follow me. And subscribe, like, comment, all that fun stuff. Smash the like for sure. But this is my thought process. If we come up and we break above this zone, now what we need to do is we need to maintain above this zone in order for all of this just to be a trap. You know, here you can, and again, I showed this on the other day where, let me take this off so it's a little bit more clear. But I showed this the other day, you know, pattern traders, they're going to see a Adam and an Eve, or they're going to see, and it's whatever they want to make really, a shoulder, head, and a shoulder, which is very ugly. You know, hopefully you're not following anybody who shows that. If you are, you know, maybe they're good, but again, if you can literally make any pattern, and I apologize for saying that, but you know, like to me, that's not that's you literally forcing yourself to find a pattern. The main thing is to look at this zone. This is the main thing. I do appreciate you guys very much. Make sure to smash the like. Right now, I am looking for price to come down. I am in a short, so I am convicted in this. I already moved my short into profit just in case, you know, we do come up. And I hate when I do that. So I am in a short. Now I haven't taken profit. I haven't done, but I moved my stop into profit so that if this in fact plays out, at least I covered myself. And then I'm actually hedging right now. I'm still in my long, and my long I've taken profit 3 times already, and the long is right here. So again, these are my receipts. I do trade. This one I've already shown you. I'll show my last one for the long. So profit taking, just so you can say, oh, well, that's just a mark. That's not actually you took profit. You know, here it is, guys. You know, calm down, close. So I do take my trades and show you how to trade, guys. Monday and Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. We go over this, and make sure to follow, subscribe, like. Appreciate you guys very much. See you on the next one. Take care. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.